Okay, today is Tuesday, and I took my lawn down to, let's see, that was setting E on the TimeMaster. That's 2¼ inches. I took it down on Saturday. Today is Tuesday, and I'm feeling like it needs to go lower. So we're gonna go lower. We're gonna go down to setting F on the TimeMaster. We're gonna go below 2 inches today and see how it turns out. I was really happy with the way things turned out last time. I didn't lose any color to the lawn. It looked really good. So today what I want to do is just try again. I want to see how low I can take this and just kind of run with it. It's been a really fun experiment up to this point, and I just want to see how far it can go. So with that, let's get started. So the way I'm gonna approach the mow today is gonna be very similar to how I did it on Saturday. I'm gonna side discharge the first time around. Only difference this time is I'm gonna bag the second go around. So I did put a lot of material into the lawn on Saturday. When I did the double cut, I side discharged and mulched. Today I'm gonna side discharge and then bag whatever clippings I can get on the second go. So that's gonna be the plan today, and we'll see how it turns out. Let's do it. Okay, first mow is finished, and I think it went pretty well. I'm at the point now where the mower deck is actually running into things. It's running into the concrete edge of the sidewalk and the driveway, first of all, and I can feel it getting caught up on high spots pretty easily. So, as you can tell, the yard's a mess right now because of the side discharge. And I mean, look at this. Look at that. It's a mess. So I need to go ahead and cut again. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut again. I'm gonna raise the deck up one notch just so there's more room for the vacuum effect to take place, to get everything picked up best as possible. Clean this up, should look nice, and we'll get a final result and see what it looks like on setting F and go from there. Alright, that is gonna go ahead and wrap things up for today. That was not as easy as cutting on setting E, the cut that I did on Saturday. Not as smooth. I did hit some high spots in the yard, which is to be expected at some point. You go low, you're eventually gonna find those high spots. Probably get some sand in here in the future. I don't think that's gonna happen this year. It'll probably happen another year. But we are getting somewhere here. It feels really good to walk on, and it doesn't look as bad as I thought it was. I went into this really optimistic. There are some yellowing spots from when I scalped the high spots, which is okay. That will recover, and we're just gonna keep cutting this and see where it goes. And I'm having a lot of fun doing this. I hope you guys are enjoying this content. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish cleaning things up here before the sun goes down all the way and it gets too dark. But yeah, that's gonna go ahead and do it for now. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.